Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, and if you're new here, I'm usually doing quick and easy recipes for parties or small get-togethers, but today I wanted to do a tutorial on how to build these foil stars. Just something that you can use as decoration for your parties. So I got these stars from the dollar store, and it's a set of 3, and it was $2.50. Now, it seems to be a very quick and easy build it yourself, but the reason I'm doing this is because it took me 10 minutes to figure it out, and I actually YouTubed it on how to do it. So hopefully if you're watching this video, it's actually helping you and actually it gave you the result of what you're looking for, how to build these and how to get them to this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this, right? Initially, I was like, well, what do we do from here, you know? But after just messing around with it, I realized that I had to fold it in these like creases that are right here. So we're gonna open this. Fold that. And as you can see, the star starts opening up. Okay. All right, so now once you have it here, there's 2 small holes right here, and we're gonna tie this together. It's giving you the shape. Let me see, how much did I do? So I'm putting both sides of the string in there. And this way, you can go like that. Now, this might not even be the right way to do it, but this is just how I figured out how to build it, because I couldn't find how to do it. I was looking at build foil stars, and it was giving me how to like actually make them on like cardboard, and that's not, we don't want that. So this one seems a little dented here, but they are from the dollar store. Now with this little axis right here, we're gonna hide that, we're gonna tuck that back in into the little punch holes, just so that can be covered. So now this is what you're gonna hang it from. And now I'm gonna do the other star. Kind of like stuck together, which made it even harder for me to figure it out. Okay, pop that. It would probably be helpful if it came with instructions, but they probably thought this is such an easy project, they got it. Well, I don't got it, because I'm still not even sure if I'm holding this right. Does it look like a star? Okay. I think I'm struggling too much. Those are like these flaps. Maybe I'm supposed to. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. have our 3 stars. The stars came out looking great. Here are the 3 different dimensions because we had a large one that's about 9 inches, then the medium one, and the smallest one was 4. They ended up looking great, super easy to hang, and I hope this video was what you were looking for and they helped you build your foil stars. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.